Yesterday, our big old oak tree over there crumbled to the ground. We had a lot of storms. I was at work. But it's gone. The perch for different variety of species of birds that have landed on and looked out. That tree, that oak tree, got struck by lightning about 3 years ago, and now it is gone. And just as a reminder, look at the piece of footage I have attached, so you'll understand what I'm talking about. I wish this camera would focus on what I'm trying to shoot at. There is that bald eagle again. There's a hawk on top of the old tree. Oh, wow! Oh! Some amazing footage.